Now pay attention here. First of all, we will start dividing. In our rough work, 240 is divided by 228. Obviously, 228 ones are 228. Remainder is 12. If the remainder is not 0, you continue. Now 12 will divide 228. So 12 divides 228. 12 ones are 12. Remainder is 10. Carries down 8. 12 nines are 108. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Division stops. The divisor 12 becomes the HCF. Now see how. So here, and this is the rough work. In the solution, we'll write it very, very carefully. Solution. Here, always A is the bigger integer, 240. B is the smaller integer, 228. And we'll write like this. Applying EDL, we get. Applying EDL, we get. Now write the first step. What it was? 240. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder. And next step what it was, and here we will write, since r is not equal to 0, since r not equal, now I'm not having not equal to sign, you will write here not equal to 0, not equal to 0, division continues. 228 is equal to 12 into 19 plus 0, since r equal to 0, since r equal to 0, division stops. And whenever the division stops, divisor, who is the divisor? 12 was the divisor. Divisor 12 becomes the HCF. So ultimately, HCF of 240 and 228 is 12. Everybody has reached till here? Everybody has reached till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. So have you understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Now, I know exercise 1.2 is pending. I have kept it pending. This sum I want to do it first. Now, all of you will pay attention here. Now stop doing all your work. Everybody stop doing the work and look here. Here, we will always start from the second last step. In the last step, you get a 0. Start from the second. Now, here only one step. Before only 2 steps are there. Sometimes you see there are 3, 4, 5 steps. In some divisions, we have to go on dividing, go on dividing, go on dividing. 3 times, 4 times, you get the steps. Start from the second last step, because what they have told, see here, what have they told us? Using EDL, first find the HCF. They have told us find the HCF, and we have found out the HCF as 12, and then express it as a combination of some 2 other numbers. The HCF is to be expressed as a combination of 2 numbers, and you will always get the value of HCF in the second last step. So see how I'm going to write. So from above equations, already you have what have you got? 240 is equal to 228 into 1 plus 12. You want the value of 12 in terms of 240 and 228. So that 12 remains to the right hand side. Everything else goes to the left hand side. So how? See, 240 minus 228 into 1. 228 into 1 is equal to 12. Do you understand? That bracket has gone to the left hand side and become minus. And this 240 is actually nothing but 240 into 1. 240 into 1. Sorry. Plus, see, plus I am going to write 228 into minus 1, because this 1 becomes minus, because I want it 240m plus 228n. is equal to 12, and that is 12 is equal to 240 m plus 228 n, where m is equal to 1 and n is equal to -1. See, 240 into 1 plus 228 into -1. 240 minus 228, you have got a answer as 12. Are you understanding, children, what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Ha.
Yes, sir.
So that is what we have got as a linear combination. Just complete this part first. We are going to do one more sum. Just first complete this, expressing 12 as a combination of 240 and 220. We are going to do one more sum, so you'll understand it in a better way. This was single one-step answer, so directly we got. Many a times we are not going to get the answer when it becomes confusing. You have to do it very, very carefully. Right here, note. After this, write a note. Always start getting the equations from the second last step. After the sum is completed, write this note. First write the note, again I am going to explain it. From the second last step. Substitute the value of the smaller of the two. Substitute the value of the smaller of the two and solve until you get a binomial. Once you get a binomial, again substitute the value of the smaller one, of the smaller of the two. And solve until you get a binomial. Continue the process till you get the answer in the required form. This is a important note, very important. Complete the note first. Just let me know once you have finished with the note. Make it fast, children. Have you finished solving the sum, all of you? Just tell me, have you finished solving the sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finish writing the note, all of you children?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So see, first look, write the question, start solving it. Using EDL, find the HCF of 1656 and 4025. Quickly find out the HCF. Do the division, all of you. All of you do the division. Now, this is a little bit interesting a division. So pay attention again over here. 4025, you're going to divide by 1656. The smaller number divides the bigger number. 1600 2s are 3200. Yes, 2s are 3312. 3312. 713 becomes the remainder. Smaller number not equal to 0. Division continues. This will divide the smaller number. 713 divides 1656. It would be 2s again. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. 230. Again, division is not 0. And 230 is not divisible by 713. So 230 will divide 713. 4s are 9 are 3s are 9. 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. 3 minus 0 is 3, 23. And 23 we know will definitely divide 230. 23 tens is 230. Remainder is 0. Children, did we get the same answer, all of us?
Yes.
Huh. Now again, all of you, I hope you have done the division and just write this. Now see what? Now see what? Here, pay attention. You will leave 2 lines in between each step. See how? Here, A is our bigger number 4025. Stop writing, all of you. All of you stop doing your work. Everybody stop doing, pay attention here. B is equal to 1656. Applying EDL, we get. Till here everything is fine. Now here, 4025 is equal to what? What is 4025 equal to? 1656 into 2. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Leave 2 lines. Leave 2 lines and now write the next step. What is the next step? 1656 is equal to what? 713 into 2 plus 230. Again leave 2 lines. Leave 2 lines. And what are you going to write? 713 is equal to what? 230 into 3 plus 23. Leave 2 lines and final answer 230 is equal to 23 into 10 plus 0. Division stops. So divisor here. Divisor. Who is our divisor? Finally, who is our divisor? 23 becomes the HCF. This is our first part of the sum. 2 marks ka answer. The sum will come for 3 or 4 marks. This is equivalent to 2 marks. Therefore, the HCF of 1656 and 4025 is 23. Till here everything is fine. Read out till here.
No,
Huh. Now stop
No,
writing.
sir.
All of you will pay attention. I said always the second last step is going to give me the value of 23. So after here I have left 2 lines. Now I will write all the values. See how? 713 minus what? 230 into 3 is equal to 23. Yes or no, children? This 230 into 3 has gone to the left hand side. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Here, now you tell me here what you will get. 1656 what? Minus
713 into 2.
is equal to what?
230.
Yes. Out of 713 and 230, you have got the value of smaller 230. Here, in the first step, you are going to get the value of 713. What is the value? Tell me. 4025. Bolo.
Minus 1656
Into
into 2 equals to 713.
713. Okay. This is what we have written the values. Pay attention very carefully. Now, I will start from the second last step. I will start from the value of 23 because I want to express it. It means whom? HCF. And HCF is 23. So 23. 23 is equal to what? Tell me. 23 is equal to what? 713 minus 230 into 3. Am I right, children? Am I right?
Sir.
Now, see, substitute the value of the smaller of the two and solve until, see, always start from the second last step. So I have started from the second last step. Substitute the value of the smaller. In 700, now 23 will never change because 23 is value we want. Yes or no? We want 23 as 1656m plus 4025n. Are you understanding, children? Children, are you understanding? We want the value of 23. Now, in 713 and 230, who is smaller? Who is smaller in 713 and 230?
230.
So put the value of 230. What is the value of 230? Third last step. What is the value of 230? In place of 230, now I will put 1656 minus 713 into 2 and whole multiplied by 3. Pay attention very carefully. What I have done over here. See, substituting value of 230. Now check what we have done. Just pay attention. This value of 230, 230's value we have put over here. So in place of 230, what I have put? 1656 minus 713 into 2. In place of 230, I have put 1656 minus 713 into 2 into 3 is remaining as it is. Why? Because I want to come last into this step. Now solve this. Now open the bracket and solve this. Is equal to 713 means what? 713 into 1. Nothing means into 1. Now minus 1656 into 3, outside the bracket is 3, and minus into minus becomes plus. Plus what? 713 into 2 into 3. Just check what I have done. Just check what I have done. Again, I'm explaining you to play very carefully attention. 1656 into 3 and 713 into 2 multiplied by 3. First term into bracket, first term into 3, second term into 3. Are you understanding? 1656 multiplied by 3, 713 into 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to solve until you get a binomial. Solve until you get a binomial is equal to 713 into 1 as it is minus 1656 into 3 as it is. Minus into minus had become plus. 713 2 into 3 is 6. Can you see that? 713 into 6. Can you see that, children?
Yes.
Combine the like terms. 713 into 1 plus 713 into 6. Combine the like terms. Combine the like terms is equal to 713 into 1 plus 713 into 6 minus 1656 into 3 as it is will remain as it is. Now, can you see 713 is common? Can I take common 713? Yes or no, children?
Sir,
Yes.
1 plus 6.
1 plus 6 minus 1656 into 3. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is equal to 713 into 7 into 6 plus 1 has become 7 minus 1656 into 3. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Did I get a binomial again? Only two terms. 713 into something, 1656 into something. Now what to do after getting a binomial? Once you get the binomial, substitute. Now substituting the value of whom? Who is smaller? In 7. Substituting the value of 713. And what is the value of 713? Here you have got the value of 713. You have got the value of 713 over here. 713 is nothing but 4025 minus 1656 into 2. So this 713 will now be substituted. How? Is equal to, in place of 713, I am putting 4025 minus 1656 into 2. Whole bracket is multiplied with 7 because 713 is multiplied with 7. Already it is multiplied with 7, and minus 1656 into 3 is already there. Are you understanding, children? Important steps. Is equal to, open the brackets, 4025 into 7. 4025 into 7 minus 1656 into 2 into 7. First term with 7, second term with 7, minus 1656 into 3. See, now you're going to come very near to the answer. Is equal to 4025 into 7 as it is, minus 1656 into 14 minus 1656 into 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here 713 was common, so we took out 713 as common. Here who is common? Here who is common?
1656.
So we are going to take 1656 common. So tell me, is equal to 4025 into 7 as it is, minus 1656. Minus sign is common, so that minus becomes plus. 14 plus 3 is 17. Is equal to 4025 into 7 minus 1656 into 17. All this is equal to is for 23. Ultimately, I have got 23 is equal to 4025 into 7 plus 1656 into minus 17. Minus outside the bracket goes inside the bracket. Ultimately, 23 is nothing but 4025m plus 1656n. Where m is equal to 7 and n is equal to minus 17. Always one will be positive, one will be negative, because you are going to get a smaller answer. Are you understanding this part, children? Very critical part. Most difficult sum of the chapter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do this. Just solving carefully, patiently. Take care of the signs, plus and minus signs. What is inside the bracket? What is outside the bracket? How it is getting multiplied? Ultimately, you have expressed 23 as a linear combination of 4025 and 1656. One and the same. 1656m and 4025n, or this m and that n. One and the same. Are you understanding, children, what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Solve it very, very carefully, all of you. And later on the calculator, you will check 4025 into 7 minus 1656 into 17, whether you get the answer as 23. Definitely you will cross check so that you yourself will understand how beautiful answer we have got. Understand and solve. Do not copy. It's a very critical sum. Do not copy. I said. Do it slowly and steadily and carefully. Very, very carefully. Finish solving, all of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this part, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Those who have not finished writing, because it's last 1 minute, just take a screenshot for yourselves. Those who have not finished writing, take the screenshot. Taken. Have you all taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Now see. Yes, same like the first one what we did today, but the first one was the easier one. Only 2 steps. Here 4 steps. So solve, substitute the value, again solve, substitute the value, again solve, substitute the value. Like this you have to go on doing, starting from the second last step till you reach the first step wherein you get the required answer. Do you understand, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So today 2 or 3 questions